A commercial roof overlay is a cost-effective way to save money on roofing costs. By installing them, you can avoid the expense of tearing off your old roof and replacing it with a new one. They can also extend the life of your existing roof by up to 20 years. Installing a commercial roof overlay is a great way to save money on your roofing costs. With an experienced contractor, you can extend the life of your existing roof and avoid the expense of replacing it entirely. That is why many business and building owners considered getting an overlay. Roofing company offers a number of options. Make sure to do an inspection to understand more of your problem. Professional roof inspectors can check everything a regular eye can't, such as the roof slopes, guttering, and the entire roofing system. Boise Commercial Roofing Contractors are a team of roofers who can help you with your commercial roof problems. Our roofing company has helped many building owners through roof replacement, installation, inspection, and even repairs. We provide a comprehensive number of commercial roofing solutions, from asphalt shingles, and metal, roofing, repair, and maintenance, as well as roof coating. New roof, additional roof, or even an inspection of your current roof, we can help you out. Get your quotes today.